Hey, what's up, Poem?
Hey, what's up? You good?
Good.
How you been? You alright?
I'm good.
Alright, nice seeing you. I'm in Geneva, Switzerland. Peace and love and respect, huh? Always.
I eat you like a quarter pounder. You cannot step to the scene, no collaborator. Beats is rivers and I'm flowing through them like a flounder. Done when I run through the microphone, I cause feedback. Your ears bleed back through the monitors. I rip, then the tongue will flip like an acrobatic, dramatic styles. Keep the girls' nipples aroused. I get thrills, yo, I'm ill when I spill like juice. Can't even be stopped by bounty paper towels. One of the best put me to test. See how the Q flex, I have you bugging like you smoked wet. The most dangerous up on the set, you can't escape. This is Cheshire, make a move, checkmate. Wait, that's just a half step in my path. It's gonna be a bloody bath. I'm incredible like Big Tab. Causing heat waves from the lyrics I drop now. Who got the my talk? The incredible, lyrical, and original. It's the useless Jackie, you better recognize the incredible, lyrical, and original. It's the useless Jackie, you better recognize.
It's the incredible Big Tab. I create storms from my brain and look out your window, I bet it's raining. This is just one style out of many. I make the hookers catch a Love Jones like Jenny. I keep the other rappers thinking. I bring so many words to life. Some say I need a condom for my ink pen. Sometimes I make my style sluggish. Plus, hookers be on my bone like my name was Thuggish Ruggish. If I was you, I'll be trying to figure where your whore is. Cause I've been undercover like Detective Eddie Torres. And like I said,